Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Alex, and in this video I'll be sharing with you a few items that will make this virtual school situation a little better. April, May, June was a hot mess for our house. We were stressed, we were all over the place. So I had to come up with something to make this situation a little better. I found a few items that will hopefully get us in together, basically. So stay tuned to see what those items are. All right, so the first item that I want to share with you is a desk. I put it somewhere in here. The first time we had to do this back in March or April, we had everyone doing school in the living room, and that was probably the worst idea that we had. But if we let them go upstairs and do their learning, I was just imagining that they would be sleeping or playing video games. So just in the beginning, we wanted to start them off downstairs, but this time we are talking about accountability, which I'll talk about a little more in one of the other items. So we are making them more accountable for their own schoolwork this time, so they all have desks in their own room. So I went to Ikea and we got this desk called the Mickey or Mikey desk. It was fairly cheap. I think it was $50 or right around $50. And I think it's great for my elementary students. I also have a high school student who has a loft bed, so he has a desk space underneath his bed. Next item that will make this better is a chair. So of course you need a chair to go along with the desk, but apparently there is a chair shortage in America, or maybe everywhere, I don't know. We had a hard time finding chairs for our kiddos. So again, I went to Ikea, and one day I was checking their stock every single day, and they just happen to have these chairs in stock. Again, I'll put them somewhere. But these were, I think, right around $20 or $15, somewhere in there. They're kind of small. They're considered junior chairs. The one we want, I'll put a picture of the one that we actually wanted, which is an adult size chair. And it has wheels on it. So I really wanted that one, but I had to take what we could get at this point because school is starting on Monday. So for my son who has the loft bed, I decided we could spend a little more on his chair since we didn't have to buy him a desk. We got his chair from Amazon. I'll put a picture of it somewhere here again. His is a little nicer. He's a little older. He can also use it to play his video games, so I didn't mind too much. The next item I want to share are laptops, but specifically we have bought these Chromebooks. I think they were $89 when we got them originally. I'll put a picture here. You can't really see because of the stickers. These Chromebooks they do the job. They are not the greatest laptops at all, but they do what they're supposed to do. If a little bonus for the laptops are stickers. So I have some stickers here. So she just has some little girly ones. These are just the ones she chose, a Rubik's Cube. For our son, we have these little Fortnite stickers. I don't know the first thing about Fortnite, to be honest, but that's what they like. So if you just Google your kids' favorite characters in Amazon or Google and just put stickers behind it, so Hello Kitty stickers, I don't know, Blue's Clues stickers, you'll find some good ones. And we did this because we are trying to make the best out of this situation. I feel like if our attitudes are exciting, then theirs might be exciting. So any small thing we can do, some $5 stickers, I will do that to make this situation just a little more tolerable for everyone. The next item I want to share is headphones. We have been through some headphones, and let me see, I have some more. We are finally, That's the wrong one. There's some color options. These are from Walmart, or they were like $5, I think. These are for Amazon, and I think I definitely recommend these more. I bought headphones back in April and they are broken right now. I don't even know. But these you can twist and turn, and they have a microphone, and that's my favorite part, is so when you're on those video calls or with your teacher, you can, be heard clearly, and that's always nice. But I think if you have smaller children who, I don't know if y'all's kids are anything like mine, but mine, y'all know Quake from S.H.I.E.L.D.? I think her alternate name on there is Destroyer of Worlds. That is the definition of mine. So my 1-year-old could get a hold of these and twist and turn, and they are not going anywhere. Next item that I have for you are 5 subject notebooks. And I say these specifically because these kids have a lot of different classes, and if I gave them 5 spirals to do their schoolwork, I don't even know. They'd probably be in the trash. Honestly, they would be in the trash. So I think this is a good way to just keep all their school stuff together, right on their desk, right next to them, so they don't have to go searching for one of the trillion notebooks that they have. Planners. Planners are my favorite things in life. If you don't know, I love me a good planner. I chose these specifically because they have the matrix style. So each day has a column, and then each row is for a different class. So I really like that setup for myself, and they don't know anything about planners, so whatever I teach them is right. But I chose this one specifically for my daughter going to the 3rd grade because there is space. Hold on, let me find it. There is space for website logins. This goes back to that accountability piece. So along with being accountable for their own schedules and their own assignments and keeping up with that, is these logins. I don't know about y'all, there had to have been like 30 logins for all of them. It was a mess, and I can't be responsible at this point. I can't be trusted. I chose this one for the boys. It's just a plain black 5-star student planner, and it has essentially the same setup, but it's just a little bit more minimalistic, and hopefully they find it useful. But yeah, I don't think this one has the logins, but I think they can probably use a page like this for logins. There we are. Item I want to show are dry erase boards. So I think this would just be a fun addition. I've seen people on our work calls, just write a little message and hold it up in the camera, like hello everyone. If you just don't want to have if you have your video on but not your audio, you can hold up answers to your teacher's questions with this easily. So I think that'll be a good addition as well. Another item is a good quality folder. So I only bought one per child. Let's see. There's a black one. Boom, boom, boom. But these, I don't think we'll be printing the information. Honestly, I don't even know. I don't know who their teachers are. I don't know anything right now. But if we do have to print off information, they can keep it all in here and in those desk drawers. The last item that I want to show you are these Echo Dots. So we use these all throughout our house. All the kids have them in their rooms, and they can use these as alarm clocks to wake up. Again, that goes back to that accountability and responsibility. Yeah, so these are good for announcing dinner. You say, Alexa, announce dinner.
Announcing dinner.
You know, she'll just ring it throughout the house. So you can do that pretty much with any message you have. Because we're working, my husband and I are working downstairs at this point, and they will all be doing their schoolwork. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed those 10 items. I think it was 10 items. I hope they can help make your virtual learning experience a little better, just like they will help mine. Thank you. Bye.